ganda.
Sabi mo kung ano ginagawa nila.
Tay pa nga.
Sheila!
Magtatagal tayo rito. Laki na ito eh. Maliligaw tayo. Hey guys, hoy! Kausapin mo. Hello. You have so many gastos. Bag rate. Wow, so messy.
Sheila parang tanga.
Kabilang sila ng fruits. Sana mabilang bulaklak. Touchdown sa gate. Time check ba? Time check. 49. Time check, 49. Time check. Ay, ang ganda. 5:39. Papunta pa lang kaming UP. The flight has finally take off. Are you tired? We're here. So daming people. Matabiling dyan eh. Talagang dyan may lalagay. Ganda.
Ay, ba, hindi mo kami binigyan.
Wala lang araw. We are so late.
Ito nga ginagawa ko. Video mo to.
Wow! Talinis.
Hey. Be, hello. So nice.
Tingin.
Ay, ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Landscape dapat.
Okay lang yan. Landscape daw, landscape daw. Ay, landscape. Ano ba landscape or cake?
Landscape! Ano kaya? Nagpa-vlog ba kayo?
Taka, hindi kita. Sabi niya kasi landscape and naka-landscape naman, di ba? Ay, sobrang Latina. Uy.
Masarap mo.
Yan ang sinayang mo, Jason.
Pagkawag mo tawa, natatawa ako vlog to.
Ay, gusto ko yun. Our food waiting for us. Ah, so sarap. I want to eat you all now. Let's introduce our food. This one is from Greenwich. This one is... Oh! May toppings na! Ulit. So, here's our food. I'm gonna introduce it one by one. This is Cinnabon. Basta, cinnamon roll. This one is Greenwich Pop Pizza. Pizza from Greenwich. Yes. With earrings. Oops. This our drink. From Coco. With garapata. And Jayco Donuts. Glaze. Regular. Original. This one is our main course. Chowking. Because we have Tokyo here. So, our main dish is chowking. And her drink is empty. Starbucks with the panlaban sa sakit. You know this girl from toe to head? Oh my gosh! That is Tokyo. Yan. Ang aming tour guide. Nagutom na. Ayaw pang pakainin. Hi guys! Oh. Super Latina. Super Latina pero mukhang Chinese.
Nagutom. Wala ka nga ito. Meron yan. Maya! Wala? Kanino to? Ano pa to? Gago ako. Wala akong toyo. Ayun o. Saka ng problema niya, no?
Ang ganap ng toyo, siya yung toyo. SM Grand.
Yes, di pa sila tapos mag-vlog. After.
Ang harap! Ang harap!
Can I do?
Bakit?
Ani!
Ayoko nung ano, parang pakuan.
Huwag mo na lang anuhin. Ayoko rin eh.
Ano yung dudura ako?
Here at UP.
Hindi masarap yung buto.
Hindi ko masarap yung buto. Dito masarap yung garapata. Dito kasi ang galing sa aso na to.
Ngayon na, nag-take out na siya. Our tour guide.
kuha may sinabon?
Cinnabon. The white one is what? Is for Mitch Bear. That pizza box is for her. And this is for me.
I think it will copy paste.
Oh, yung donut ko lagay mo din dito.
What?
Put my donut inside.
Inside the
Inside the box.
box of
Anong tawag dito?
cinnabon.
Cinnabon. That's my baon tomorrow. And this one. Looks like chowking, right? But it's pizza inside. Tagalog.
Sasakuhin ko ang tumbong mo.
Look at her shirt. It's a Tweety.
We're done eating and packing. We have so many away because we buy so much and we can't even
Wala yung snack natin.
we can't eat it all. We can't
Throw daw. Throw mo yan, ha?
throw! Woo! Oh, the disaster. Iwan mo na yan ditong bag mo. Parang be, ibaba mo baka matalsikan tayo, be. Lalo mo na ano yung bag mo. There are many mosquito here like this one wearing pink and skirt. Yeah! Nice idea! Good job! How do you know it? Where do you search it from?
I'm mad. That's mad daw.
Hi, Matt. How are you? You're mad because you're now a putek. Lalo na dumi yan. Later, we're gonna go on a walk and we're hunting a ghost.
What's the naman of your tote bag? Can I borrow it?
No, you're so kalat, girl. I don't want you borrow my things because you're mad. Oh, it's so sayang. Plastic mo, lalaban ko.
Ay, ang dami yun.
Eto, oh. Nagtuturo pa eh. Later on, we're gonna see a ghost and we're gonna video with it and take a picture. I'm going Langgam na. We're English area because we're at Ateneo. Ay, ano ba to, te? UP pala to. Joke lang, pre.
Sa basurahan.
All around.
Yan ang tagaligpit namin. All around.
The tour guide, the tagaligpit, taga-video. Go MJ! Ligpit-ligpit! Ay! My phone!
We're going home. Okay, say bye to the vlog. Ay, wala pa. No.
No, bye.
Oh, no, bye daw. There's so many people jogging here. And that's with Rio. So fucking sexy. Miss! Patingin ang bil-bil mo! We are going to SM Grand.
No, we're not going home. We're going to SM Grand Central. So we book Grab because we need some rest. After some rest, we're gonna go back-backan to SM Grand. I'm all by myself without my bodyguard Kataiki. Ay, Kateki. Kataiki pala yung nasa isip ko, yung sa Dubai chocolate. MJ! Ah, si Kateki. Hello, Kateki! Our tour guide for today.
And the photographer. And the basurero.
Our Kateki for today. Thank you so much. If our vlog have some kita, I will give you 5 pesos. No, don't be shy. It's just a little bit amount of the money.
Pagod na siya. We go to CNN and brought that.
Pwede po nga din to. Tara dito, tapos videoan ka namin.
Ayun na, si Kateki. Na maraming bit-bit.
Hindi, okay na to.
Thank you, Kateki. Hey guys. Hoy!